topic, not just here in Southern California, even for our kababayans in Hawaii. And that is why this week we are checking in with Hawaii Philcom Center. Ms. Rose Chirma is joining us. For those of our viewers on Kiku, magandang hapon sa'yo, Ms. Rose Chirma. Thank you for joining us on Kababayan Today.
Magandang hapon din, Janelle.
And kamusta ang weather sa Hawaii today, and how is it?
It's blue skies. It's a beautiful day in Hawaii. We invite all of you guys from California to come visit.
Ayan.
We have perfect weather.
Naiinggit naman ako. Sige, next time I'll try to visit. Ms. Rose, tell us about your immigration outreach program sa Philcom Center. Is that an annual thing, a regular thing, monthly thing?
Actually, this one, we have U.S. citizenship classes that we hold about twice a year. And it's 5 sessions. And the second session will start tomorrow, June 1. That's a Saturday. It's from 1 to 3, actually, 2 hours every Saturday. And on there, we help folks who want to apply for citizenship pass the exam. As you know, sa mga ating kababayan, kuminsan ninenervyos sila kasi English, hindi sila masyadong marunong. Kaya yung iba, hindi yung pumapasa dito sa kanilang civics test. Kaya itong U.S. citizenship class namin, tinuturoan namin itong mga immigrants natin na para how to do the interview. Kasi yan, meron kong interview na in English sa civics about U.S. history tsaka U.S. government. Kaya ganon. Dito sa classes na ito, tinuturoan sila kung paano nila sagutin yung mga questions ng consul. And so far, lahat ho nung mga kumuha na ng exam noong para maging citizen, 100% po ang passing rate namin. Kaya ini-encourage namin kumuha ng mga classes itong ating mga immigrants dito para maging citizen.
Congratulations at maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtulong sa ating mga kababayan dyan. Pero ipalala po natin sa mga nanonood, ito po ay may maliit na bayad po na kailangan, correct? It's not a free service?
Yes. Hindi, token lang naman ito. Registration fee namin for 5 courses is $25. This is to cover the cost of the handouts kasi may mga handouts yan.
Yeah.
Pero I think it's worth it. 2 hours. Talaga pong immigration lawyer ang nagtuturo dito. At saka meron kaming mga interpreters kung hindi man alam yung mga gustong tumulong, magpatulong sa English.
You know, we discussed this before on the show. Something like this happens also here in Los Angeles. Ang nangyayari daw, may fee for the exam, and if you fail, babayad na naman po ulit. And so I think the $25 is very, very worth it. Also at the same time, when you say, is it per course or for 5 courses na siya?
It's para sa 5 courses yun, sa 5 classes. Kaya total na mga 10 hours yun na training para makapasa sila dun sa immigration exam.
Well, yeah, thank you so much for sharing that information with us today. And once again, thank you for your service to our kababayans in Hawaii. And I'm hoping that these Friday get-togethers with LA18 and Kiku sa inyo po sa Hawaii maging regular na po, no? Starting this week.
Yes, marami po kaming pwedeng i-share sa inyo kasi after the citizenship class, meron din kaming outreach Yung USCIS ang pupunta dito sa Philcom para tulungan ang ating mga kababayan.
Sige po, we'll talk to you again next time. For now, mahalo and enjoy your weekend.
Okay.
Thank you for joining us today on Kababayan Today, www.kababayanla18 on YouTube, and we'll see you again next time.